In the 8th century, Japan was in turmoil. Famine and plague stalked the land, and violent storms and earthquakes threatened to shake the entire world to the ground. In order to bring peace to the country, in 743 the Emperor Shomu ordered the construction of a giant statue of the Buddha in the capital city of Nara. It was an enormous undertaking. At 16 meters high, it would be the largest cast Buddha the world had ever seen, requiring 500 tons of copper, 2.5 tons of silver, and 125 kilograms of pure gold. By the time of its completion in 757, after 12 years of toil, more than 2.5 million people had been involved in its construction, and its dedication ceremony was attended by over 2,000 Buddhist monks from as far away as India and China.
For well over 1,000 years, much about the Great Buddha remained a mystery. Until, in 1989, an archaeological dig here, at Naganobori in Mine City, revealed evidence of copper mining dating back to the 8th century.
Mineaki Yoshidai Geopark is located in Yamaguchi Prefecture in western Japan. The Naganobori copper mines can be found in the northeast, next to the Akiyoshidai Karst Plateau. Today, evidence of mining activity spanning over 1,000 years can be found here.
This hole that you see behind me is the Ogiri No. 4 mine shaft, dating back to the 8th century, and it's thought to be one of the original mine shafts that produced the copper used for making the Great Buddha.
Look closely, and you can still see evidence of copper ore in nearby rocks. This copper was formed around 100 million years ago, when magma rising up in the Earth's crust penetrated into the limestone of Naganobori. Contact with this magma caused chemical changes to the surrounding limestone, a process known as metasomatism. At Naganobori, this metasomatism resulted in the creation of 3 layers of altered rocks, known as skarn. As the magma cooled, it released a hot acidic solution containing minerals and metal ions which permeated into cracks and gaps in the layers of the surrounding rocks. As this liquid cooled, the metal ions contained within it began to precipitate, forming deposits of metals such as copper, silver and lead, and other minerals such as malachite. Over millions of years, the rock on top of these deposits was eroded away, exposing them on the surface. As well as copper, iron and lead, the mines here were known in the 20th century as the first mines in Japan to produce cobalt.
These buildings behind me are the remains of a forge from the early part of the 20th century, and this metal that you see all around is slag, the waste product from the production of metal.
Today, the Naganobori mines are not only an important historical resource, they are also a source of pride for the local people that their town was the birthplace of the Great Buddha of Nara. For more information about the Naganobori copper mines, visit the Mineaki Yoshidai Geopark website via the link in the description.